boom, this will be your trade, right? No drawdown because OTE, hit TP easily. This is a 400 point trade. Reason why that's so crazy, 400 points with one NQ contract is like, that's a $6,000 trade. So imagine two, like, come on, like that shit's crazy. So, okay, let's get into tips and tricks. What you really need, right? The most advanced shit I have for you. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all one thing that everybody uses. SMTs, correlation, this at the third, confluences, okay? So all markets move the same. Let me tell you, okay? All markets move the same. Let me put this up so I know. Okay, put this. So the tip of trick is all markets move the same. So let me show you two markets. I'm gonna show you, this is NASDAQ here, and this is SPY here. Boom. Are you gonna let me add it to the chart? Huh? Plus 110, 100% win rate. Okay. So I just showed you two trades that we took, made $1,000 in 2 days. Easy enough, right? Easy enough. $1,000 in 2 days, easy enough. So if you progress like that, you make what, $400 a trade every day? That's $2,000 a day. Then you have your accounts and all that shit. The third, if you have 5 accounts, you make $200 on each account a day. That's $10,000 a week. Simple enough, right? So boom. What do you see? These are two different charts. This is S&P and this is NQ. Let me put them both on the 5 minute. Why is this shit still like, come on. They look exactly the same. Right? Let me show you one more thing. This is why trading is like, this is NQ. Oh god, I need to show y'all another QQQ. Forget all this foreign shit I got on the board. This is NQ and this is QQQ. They look exactly the same. Right? And what I'm gonna show you is, I need to save this and go to it. I need to create a new layout. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all can see this shit real quick. I'm gonna show you is this, right? So I'm gonna have NQ up top. I'm gonna have QQQ on the bottom, right? They move together. Where is NQ at? Right, look exactly the same, same movement for the, but what happened is, let me see, so I can line this up for y'all. We fill gaps, okay? If all market and when it's build up joint of it, John, what the hell you talking about? My fault. Nah, like, tell me.
Nate had texted, bruh. Like what it was, because he just came back.
What you want me to show again, man? You know what I mean?
Nah, he just wanted you to explain what was going on.
Basically, Nate, right now I'm showing. Before I was just showing you like real life examples. Now I'ma just show you the tips and tricks of how to trade, right? if all the shit that I show you before, after I make the clips, if all that doesn't help you, I hope this will. Okay. I, I really hope this part will. Okay. Because this is the most simplest thing I could show on all of this. Okay. So NQ moves with QQQ. All right. You will want to add this to your watch list as well. Q, Q, Q. You can't miss it. You can't miss it. All right. If you trade S&P 500 moves with, drum roll, SPY. Right. It moves with SPY. S&P and SPY look exactly the same. How you find SPY? SPY. SPY. Add this to your chart as well. Okay. SPY and QQQ, drum roll, looks exactly the same, right? You're probably like, well, I'm telling you this, right? We have correlations, right? So if we have a SMT, I'm gonna try to find SMT for you. SMT is very easy, but whatever. I'm gonna go for SMTs later. Correlations. Everything should look the same. If it looks different, that means something is lagging behind. If something is lagging behind, that means it's going to catch up soon. So you could take a trade on it catching up soon. And I'm going to show you. So boom, QQQ and SPY look the same. QQQ and NQ will look the same. And S&P and SPY will look the same. Why I'm telling you this, right? If we look at the NQ chart and we look at the QQQ chart, if I show you this, this shit is funny. This shit is so crazy. So if I show you this right here, right? Let me see. I'm gonna line it up for you. I'm gonna line it up so good. Like, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you this. It's no gaps on NASDAQ because of the 24 hours. QQQ only trades 9:30 to 5 p.m. So let's rewind. Let's rewind all of this, right? We're gonna rewind all of this shit. We're gonna rewind QQQ, we're gonna rewind SPY, we're gonna rewind. Oh, I can rewind one cent at a time? Sure. Let's do it like that. Alright, boom, right? QQQ opens with a gap. Alright, I wish I could show y'all this, but look at how you see how the lines match on the top? That's where it's at on NQ, okay? Okay? Let me put a vertical line so niggas know what I'm talking about. It correlates, right? Here, this is the line where we start at on NQ, okay? QQQ opens with a gap. If nothing else makes sense, if QQQ opens with a gap, 9 times out of 10, we will fill the gap, okay? You're probably like, it's an unfilled gap right here. Don't worry about it, right? Because what happens, we will always come back to fill a gap. So look, right? QQQ opens with a gap right here. This big old gap right here. We have a gap under it as well, right here. Right? Shit's crazy. We have a gap under it as well, right? And Q also looks like this, right? So if you could tell what NQ have done, Let's see what happens. We push up a little bit, get rejected somewhere. Gonna keep pushing up. We drop down, drop down, drop down. So I'm just gonna blind trade this, right? I'm a blind trade it because I'm gonna show you how easy this shit gets. So what? 1,000 QQQ, sure. Let's ball out. 1,000 QQ. Gonna put our stop loss up here. Gonna put our top. We gonna fill the gap, right? I'm aiming for a fill the gap. Boom. We filled the gap. 9 times out of 10, QQQ will fill its gap. If this is not the easiest shit I could show you from everything I've shown y'all in the past, 2 hours? QQQ will always fill its gap. Then on NQ, what you could use this on, right? If you know QQQ has a gap to the downside, then on NQ you can see it's going down, right? Because it's filling the gap. If I could show y'all on this in a real trade right now, we will. I wish I could, but all you have to play is the gap fill, right? Say if we don't fill the gap, right? Say like right here, we didn't fill a gap, and then next coming good days, we're gonna go back and fill this gap, okay? But we didn't fill it here, so if all you do is play gap fills, this will be a what? June 8th will not be a trade day for you because we never went down to fill a gap. That's how simple it is. I wish I could make this easier, right? But you also trade off of news and all the other shit I told you. Don't just use this because you will get baked. But fill the gap. 4,200 from filling the gap. So let's keep it going. Let me just keep showing y'all this. Boom. We made $12,000 off of a gap fill. That's how easy this shit is, right? But you'll use this gap to other things as well. Let me show you one more thing, right? Say if that wasn't easy enough for you. Let me show let me show you this, right? VIX. How to find VIX, right? Let me see. What was this? June 8th? June 8th. Oh, I got VIX and replay for some odd reason. Sure. I had VIX and replay. I don't give this is June 9th at 10:15. Sure. Let me show y'all June 9th, 10:15. June 9th, 10:15, right? Let me get everything off of it. Let me get everything off of it. Clear all the drawings. VIX is our fear indicator, right? Define VIX, VX. Add this as well, right? What do you see here? VIX is going up, QQQ is going down. So when VIX is going up, QQQ will go down. If VIX go down, QQQ will go up. I don't really need this, right? We made $6,000 off of a gap fill. Whoop-de-doo, you know, easy, easy. It's easy money, right? Let me just show you this real quick. This is June 11th. Okay. When VIX is going down, QQQ goes up. When VIX is going up, QQQ will go down. Sometimes it will correlate, but if VIX ever correlates with actual QQQ or actual, let's see. Let me just show y'all NQ as well. Because NQ matches QQQ, right? I already told y'all this. So let me put VIX back down here. Let me put NQ up here. Find a little good area. What was this? June 11th at 125. If VIX is going down, NQ is going up. As you can see here. If VIX is chopping, NQ is chopping. As you can see here. You know what I mean? What's this? June 9th? If VIX is going up, NQ is going down. You can use all of this shit, right? You don't even have to be the most technical nigga with FVGs, OTEs, and this, that, and the third. If you use VIX, news, and GAT fields, the correlate QQQ and SPY together, SMTs, you will be fine. Let me show you a SMT real fast, right? That'd be the last thing I show, and I'm done. Done. 2 hours. Christ. Let me show you real quick. This is the last thing. Is it? Let me see. You know the holy girls I got? Like, you wouldn't understand how much of a girl this is, because a lot of people don't understand this shit. Until you see it in a real market setting. Because all you need is the shit I told you. OTE, FVGs, QQQ, and VIX. Play the gap fill. That's all you need. If you put all of that together on your own time, you research that on your own time, that's all you need. I forgot I was going to show you. Oil as well, right? Let me, what's this? June 11th at 1320. Because of the war with Iran, if oil goes down, NQ goes up. This, that, the third. It's not hard. Shit is easy. Let's see. I don't think I have nothing else to show you really. It was something I said, but I forgot. Really forgot. So now it's just risk and leverage and showing y'all how to actually get an account. Alright.